Hello, I'll be talking about the 10 hallmarks of cancer. So before that it was introduced before in 2000, in the year 2000 by Hanahan and Weinberg. They added around 6 hallmarks, and in 2011 4 more were added. So among those, the first one is the unlimited replicative potential. Unlimited replicative potential. So here the replication of normal cells, or normally the replication of the normal cells are limited by telomeres shortening, right? With every division there is a shortening of the telomeres. So what happens in cancer cells is there is altered regulation of telomere maintenance that leads to unlimited replicative potential. So to target this, we can use telomerase inhibitors actually. Now next is evasion of growth inhibitory signals. Growth evasion of growth inhibitory signals. So the mutation acquired due to this process, or the gene silencing, sometimes interferes with the inhibition pathways. To target this, we can use CDK inhibitors. And the next one is growth signal autonomy, where the acquired mutation, they gave the short circuit growth factor pathways. It leads to unregulated growth. So to target this, you can use EGFR inhibitors. The next one is invasion and metastasis. So genomic alteration, it affects the enzymes involved in the invasion, or the molecules involved in adhesion. So uh, so it leads to its hallmark, that is invasion, its capacity to invade and metastasize. To target this, we can use, like for example, it is that HGF, hepatocyte growth factor, or CMET. And next is angiogenesis. The cancer cells alter the balance between angiogenic inducers and angiogenic inhibitors, which leads to angiogenic switch. Now here we can use VEGF signaling inhibitors like bevacizumab. Now to target that. Now next is tumor promoting inflammation. So here what happens is inflammation. We know that inflammation facilitates the ability for the cancer to release more mutagenic oxygen species. So here we can use selective inhibitory, like NSAIDs, or selective anti-inflammatory drugs like COX-2 inhibitors. Now next is evasion of cell death. So cancer cells, they evade the apoptotic signals. So here we can use, to target this, we can use pro-apoptotic like mimetics, like BH3 mimetics. Now next is evasion of this kind of shows immune, right? So immune destruction, so or like avoidance of immune destructions. So cancer cells, they avoid immune detection, like somehow escape from immune detection and destruction. So to target this, we can use immunotherapy drugs, agents like anti CTLA4 agents. Now next is, here it is reprogramming. Ninth one is reprogramming energy metabolism. So what happens here is cancer cells, they carry out glycolysis even if there is presence of oxygen. So glycolysis intermediates are used in biosynthetic pathways. So here to target this, we can use aerobic glycolysis inhibitors. Now next one is genomic instability. And mutation. So faulty, like if there is DNA repair which is like faulty, that leads to genomic instability. To target this, we can use examples like PARP inhibitors, olaparib, all of that. So in a gist, these are the 10 hallmarks of cancer. First is the unlimited replicative potential. Second is evasion of growth inhibitory signals. And next is growth signal autonomy, then invasion and metastasis, then like in angiogenesis, then tumor promoting inflammation, inhibition to cell death, avoiding immune destruction, reprogramming energy metabolism, and genomic instability.